Dowbox delivered. So let's see what's inside. Wow, I love the packing. This is a coupon, discount coupon. This is a note. It's completely handwritten, so much effort taken into this. This is another discount coupon. Entire kit is completely gluten free and I am so eager to taste this. So cute this is, so small and sweet. Very crispy, very good in taste. I love this. Moving on to another. Super packing. I'm happy finally we have something healthy to eat. Wow, this is amazing. See, these are also so cute and perfectly packed. अब कम से कम बिना टेंशन के बच्चों को ये सब चीज दे सकते हैं. I love this. Audio is nothing in front of this. Super taste. My daughter will love this. I was of the opinion that gluten-free items would not be as tasty as normal snacks are. But I like this more than that one. Seriously super. You should try this. This is papri. I wanted to try it on the chart and all that I make at home. Wow, here also the packing is awesome. I'm not going to try this now. Apart from that, the box is having invoice. This is a surprise gift. Open here for a gluten-free surprise. Such a cute pouch. Oh wow. Tea bags, and here's another surprise. Wow, this is something that is very essential and usually very costly. The smell is awesome. So pure. Thank you Dowbox for coming up with this initiative. I'll order more. Thank you.